Yes, the budget hearing.
During sessions, unback naman tayo. Wala kasi ako sa if you may, can you just present maybe the salient points again of the news or soft copy na lang para hindi naman sayang. PDF file na lang. Thank you very much.
Mr. Chair,
Yes, Councilor.
related pa sa item number 4.
Yes, po.
Sabay na, sabay.
Sabay na.
3 o'clock. 3 o'clock, Tuesday before our session, 3 p.m. unbank session to present the two plans. And the presence of department head is required. And please present an executive summary and a PowerPoint presentation. Okay po tayo doon.
Yes, Mr. Chair.
So, next item.
Communications received. For review, we have the annual budget in barangays and supplemental budget number 3 and number 2 of 5 barangays.
Reviewing the supplemental as well as annual budget of the barangay under communications received on December.
Councilor Radok moves to schedule a committee hearing regarding said item on December 5, 8 o'clock in the morning. Regarding the 20 barangay budget. 8 o'clock in the morning. December 18 a.m. So Councilor De Castro, the chairman of Laws and Rules, schedules a committee hearing regarding the barangay ordinances of Barangay Maui on December 18, 10 o'clock in the morning. Wednesday. D of City Ordinance Number 2002-27, otherwise known as the City of 2002, effective immediately until December 31, 2019. Resolution 2019-126. So, i-check na lang siguro natin kung talagang sinuspend. If not, we would write siguro a letter to our city mayor through the city transport office